In order to enable or disable Do Not Disturb mode on Samsung Galaxy S25, you have two main ways to do so. The first method is by going to Settings. In Settings, you can go to Notifications, and then over here you will find Do Not Disturb, which you can enable, and then you can also choose for how long the DND mode should be enabled. You can choose to turn it off manually, or you can set up a specific time when it should turn off. Besides that, you can also create a schedule that will automatically turn on and off the DND mode based on selected time and selected days. You can also choose what should be allowed during Do Not Disturb mode, and you can also hide notifications. And the second method to turn on and off DND mode is by going to Quick Settings. So open Quick Settings, and then you can probably swipe down in order to find DND in one of these options. So you can tap on it quickly to turn it on or off, and also over here you can choose once again for how long DND mode should be enabled. And if for some reason you are missing DND mode, then you can press this pen icon and go to Edit, and then you can find the DND mode in available buttons. You can tap on the button and drag and drop it anywhere in order to add it to the list. And then you can press done twice in the top right corner. And that is all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!